You feel like he's taking you for granted, things are getting a bit boring and you want to spice it up? Well, you come to the right place as I have a perfect solution for you. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I share with you the 5 tips on how to spice things up and get a man to miss you, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test. Are you a woman of high value or low value? Which I will drop down in my video description box below. So in this video, I will give you 5 tips on how to get a man to miss you and spice things up, even if you live together. Number 1, let him miss you. Now, what do you mean by that? Well, a lot of women want a man to miss them, but we don't let him miss him. How? For example, if he is not pursuing you because he is busy or spending time with his friends or just wants some me time, you get insecure that he has forgotten about you and start to chase him. But now, how can he miss you if when he is trying to have his space, you are chasing after him? He cannot. Instead, if he's not texting or pursuing for a day or few, give him that time and let him come to you when he feels that he had enough of me time and is ready to spend some quality time with you. Number 2, do not see him all the time, especially at the last minute. It is fun and exciting when you meet the guy you like, and I understand that now you want to see him as much as possible, but do not fall into a trap of making this guy into your whole life. Have self-control and discipline. You had a life without him. Keep having a life with him also. Now, why do I emphasize when I say have a life? Well, because when you start to drop your plans for him, such as fitness classes, that book that you were reading, visiting your grandma, studying for a class, and instead you start seeing him every day or 3 to 4 times a week in the first couple of months, this is when the problems start to happen. Why? Because you are putting all the value on him and taking away the value of your to-do list in your life. So now, not only that he doesn't get a chance to miss you as you're always with him, but you are also losing your substance. And once he will start noticing it, the outcome of it will be that his interest in you slowly will fade away. Number 3, but what if we live together? Married ladies usually ask me, but Greta, we are married, we live together. How can he miss me when I'm always there? Well, he cannot if when you are always there, you make it all about him. You put him first, you try to please, you serve and keep him happy. That way, of course, he can't miss you, but if you are there and you do what you have to do for him, for you, and for others, this is when he will miss you. For example, I remember when I was a kid, my mom was home majority of time. And whenever she would start to clean the house, I would get so annoyed as she just would be in her zone cleaning and tidying and would not give me any attention. And what was even more annoying for me is after she finished, she would rest, which meant still no attention for me. This would make me miss her and not ever take a quality time with her for granted. Number 4, don't overshare. Keep a bit of variation. If every time you meet, you have deep conversations and share your life stories, very quickly it will get boring. Have some variation. Maybe one day you're chilling and discussing the meaning of life. Maybe next day you're doing an activity where it isn't much talking. Another time you're doing something else. Have some variation. If in all your dates all you want to do is talk and him have full attention on you, this will get boring very quickly. And instead of missing you, he will start avoiding you. Number 5, do not pursue, such as watching his stories and making comments on his social media. Social media usually does more harm than good to relationships, and it is massive playground for the players. The ways you can play games with people on social media are unlimited. I personally would recommend not to waste your time on it, especially on his profile, doing such things as stalking, liking and commenting on his post, competing with other girls, stalking the girls who make comments on his posts, watching his stories, replying to his stories, as this is all pursuing and giving him attention. And if your goal is to get him to miss you, this is something that you should not do. And please keep it in mind that watching the stories and making a comment on each other's social media is all fine if the relationship is long term, if it is balanced and there is mutual support rather than game playing. So ladies, these were my 5 tips on how to get a man to miss you. If you like my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. I have some awesome videos for sale, such as how to stay attractive via text, games men play on women, how to control your emotions, self-love, how to get your ex back, and you can buy all those videos from my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. And join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be high value and bring out the best in our man. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach, and also for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, check out my website again, which is called gretabereisaite.com. Thank you for watching, and from now on it's gonna be kisses from the south of UK, a place called Dorset. Mwah.